Today we are going to learn how to make this slicer sorting. Okay, just click the desired and it will pop up. Earring, earring, bracelet, bracelet, ring, ring. If you want to select multiple, just click this three line and select anything. Earring, ring, bracelet, or anything. If you want to do undo, just go back, and if you want to come on the as it is, just click. So all it's selected. So make this filter, it's easy. I'll just delete this one and make for you new one. Okay, so to make the filter, you just have to click inside the table and insert slicer. You have to go to slicer, click here. This window will pop up. Just take first stone or whatever you want to take it. Click OK. This will open. Okay, you can drag like this, or you can put any number you want, or you want to scroll anything. I prefer 2, so just click inside this and go to size and properties. Okay, just click inside here and go to size and property. This side panel will open up. Okay, from this position and layout, the number of column, just click 1 or 2, whatever you like. I prefer 2, so I selected this one. Okay, then we'll put category. Just click again inside the table, insert slicer. So we'll go for category. Okay, same. So category also here. Now we'll go for map, location. Okay, so same thing, click inside the table, insert slicer and select. This is how you can put the slicer easily. And now select. Goodbye. Okay, this is how it works. Thank you very much for watching.